Hello again, Peter here. Say hello to my little friend, more like my old friend, the OnePlus watch. I haven't used this for the better part of a month. It was charged to 80% and the battery life dropped to 74. Good job, OnePlus. Good job. So I'm going to strap this on and give it another test. I've had it almost a year and a half now, and its competitor, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic Edition LTE. This will remain on my right wrist, my dominant arm, and the OnePlus will live on my left. And we'll just see what happens. We'll do some testing. Let the examination begin. Hello again, Pietro here. Okay, good. My audio is connected. I'm not showing off my manly chest hair, and no Paramount Kid. Farmanex doesn't even know I still have this shirt. So this is just an honest video about a re-unboxing. Nearly 3 years ago, I heard about the Garmin. Whoops, locked my blank. That was anticlimactic. My knife was locked. I heard about this watch called the Garmin Instinct Solar. And I'm like, okay, I had a calculator watch that was solar back in high school, but a smartwatch that's a solar watch? What? So let's take a look inside here. Ooh, a yellow band. Does that look familiar? Anyone? Oh, the Garmin Instinct Solar by Garmin. So I'll be honest, this was and has been one of my favorite watches that I've tested and owned over the last, I don't know, 10 years. One, the battery life is measured in weeks and or months instead of just days. And it's kind of this sun-kissed yellow color. I just love it. It's vibrant, it's alive. And for the last month or so, it's been in the state of Washington. Thank you, Malakwa, for testing this for me. It turned out that it just wasn't for him, and I'm not giving up. One day I will find a watch that Malakwa likes, and I am gonna hook him up with a really good discount. I don't know, like, how does 90% off? Does that sound good, cousin? So I'm gonna put the OEM watch back on, and that is really loud. And Cool gave me this watch band about a year ago, and it has weathered extremely well. So there's the Uncool band. It's half gray, half black. But, you know, it's not that I'm tired of it. I just want the OEM. Oh, this is precarious because you have to, like, push the pins out. Come on. You can't see what I'm doing, can you? I need the tool. Where's the tool? Aha. When you can't find your watch tool, use a SIM card ejector. It works like a champ. Yep, it works like a champ. There we go. So push that in. Push that in. Pop goes the watch band. And now we go like so. Huh. Looks like I have to transfer it. There we go. And then these are unique watch bands because they are curved. Well, that was easy. And now we do the next one. I hope I'm staying in frame. My cameraman is at school today. And we, whoa. Never do this over a lake or moving water. Sorry, Dad. I know you told me not to use my teeth for that. Oh, no, this one has the watch band in there, and that's going to be the OEM one. So we're going to leave that in there, And we just line that up in the hole, the little socket. This is the hard part. I just cut my fingernails and you have to, oh yes. I apologize, Incool, but you never required me to test it more than a year, even though it was free. And I did review it for you, so I feel I have more than fulfilled my end of the bargain. So let's see what my cousin left me for battery life. So I just turned it on. It's been in the box since you shipped it to me. Sorry, cuz. And now it's booting up. You get that lovely screen. This is the fastest charging watch that I've ever seen. Heart rate, SpO2, it's just lovely. And the battery life, oh, where are my glasses? We are at 96% or 25 days. Oh yeah, read it in a weep, Apple and Samsung. So I'm gonna strap this on my little furry arm here and compare Garmin to Samsung. Ah, thank you, Milakwa. I would have been happy had you kept it, honestly. And I'm glad I had a SIM card ejector tool in my Hogwarts castle, because those things are easily lost. An update on the Suunto 9 real quickly. I like Suunto. I like their app. I feel their accuracy is great, but this watch, the Suunto 9 Gen 1, the heart rate goes from 110 to 150, stays at 110, when all my other gadgets, even my smart ring, which is charging right now, matches everything. So every other gadget says my heart rate's 160, 165. And I looked down at Suunto and it says 95. So this is going back for replacement. I might upgrade to the Suunto 9 Peak. I don't know. Well, there we go. Let the tests begin. Kind of an interesting test because I feel that the Samsung is a true smartwatch, because that was fun. When I pushed the wrong button and Bixby went off, and then Bixby terminated the video feed. Oh, what a day. Oh, you know what? The time says 8 o'clock. That's why I'm off. It's 9 o'clock. Oh boy. Well, that's what happens when Peter mixes caffeine with lack of sleep. Is that a thing? Anyway. Oh, I almost forgot my favorite part. You can get these little plugs on eBay for about 10 cents each, and you put that plug right there and it prevents corrosion to those little electrodes. This is such a comfortable band because it's been broken in for the last 2.5 years. If memory serves, I bought this November, really late October or December, winter of 2019. So 2019 to 2020, that's 1 year. 2020, yeah, so this December, it'll be 3 years of this bad boy. And pretty awesome that the battery life is still 25 days, folks. 25 days. And keep in mind, it's been in a box, shut down for the last 2 weeks, 3 weeks. I'll let Malakwa make a comment on when I shipped it. Today is August. Today is August 26, 2020. What to do with the Apple Watch? I can just like stick it on my chest right there and kind of wear it right there. I could wear it around my ankle. I love this custom strap that my friend Josh made me, the custom strap guy. Yeah, okay, I'm kind of rambling. Well, there you go. That's my vlog entry for the day. My name is Pietro, and yes, I am the man with 2 watches, but as Stefano just recently told me, that's a lie because I often wear more than one. Case in point, the Fitbit Charge 4, which has been around my ankle on and off again for the last month. I'm doing a test, and that video is coming soon. I will see you soon. And a new video is coming on my other channel, Peter Herget and Gadgets Anonymous, about snap mounts. And this is coming soon, 1 month later, with the Anker GAN Prime. So thanks for watching, folks, and I'll see you sometime in the next 88 hours or less. Goodbye.